Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Medea and this is part of my free yacht stewardess course. When I started, I couldn't afford the price training, so I built this course myself and now I'm sharing it with you for free. If you want today's notes and printable checklist, the link to my Telegram is in the description below. Today, you will learn how to sort laundry like a pro, how to load correctly, and how to choose the exact settings so nothing shrinks, nothing bleeds, and everything comes out yacht standard perfect. Begin with the goal in mind. Perfect laundry means whites stay bright, lights stay light, darks don't bleed or fade, and fabrics keep their shape without peeling or stretching. And body content items come out fresh with no chemical smell or residue. It also means that machines run efficiently. The right load size, the right cycle, the right pipeline from dirty to finished. So, start with safety. Put on gloves for anything soiled or unknown and treat body fluid items like a biohazard. Keep guest laundry separate from crew laundry. Keep galley clothes away from bathroom clothes. Treat oily towels from sunscreen massage oils or kitchen oils as a special risk. Wash them properly on a hot cycle with oxygen bleach. Dry them fully, cool them, and never pile them while still warm. Clean the dry lint filter before every load. That tiny habit prevents fires. Sort in 6 steps. Always in this order. 1. By use type. Guest luxury linens and towels must never mix the crew items. Cleaning cloth or galley cloth. 2. By color. Whites, lights, dark, plus a special with the red family that loves to bleed, and brand new black denim that loves to transfer dye. 3. By fabric. Cotton, linen, towels, delicates like silk and lace, wool or cashmere, technical active wear, and microfiber cleaning cloth. 4. By soil level. Heavily soiled items apart from lightly soiled ones. 5. By lean behavior. Shedders like towels, fleece, and flannel must never sit with the collectors like synthetics, velvet, or black cotton. 6. By special construction. Beading, hooks, underwire, zippers, and printed logos go inside out or inside bags. If an item triggers even one separate me warning, treat it alone or in a bag. Use care labels as your map. The little tub shows water temperature. Dots or numbers like 30, 40, 60. The triangle is bleach. Empty means any bleach. Lines inside means oxygen bleach only. A big X means no bleach. The square with the circle is tumble dry. Dots are heat level, and X means do not tumble. The iron icon shows ironing hit by dots. A circle means dry clean. Letters are the solvent class, and X means do not dry clean. Wool and silk often have specific wording. If a label allows more than your yacht standards, choose the safer option. Lower heat, gentler cycle, and note it in the laundry book. Run a 60-second save before loading. Check every pocket. Tissues, pens, gum, even earbuds happen. Close zips, hooks, and Velcro so they don't shred other things. Turn dark tees and denim inside out. Turn printed or embellished garments inside out. Put lingering, fine needs, beaded items, and tiny pieces into a delicate bag so they don't break or disappear. Treat stains now before washing, using the stain logic from the laundry module. If a color looks suspicious, do a quick color fast test. Press a damp white cloth on a hidden seam for 30 seconds. If the cloths pick up dye, wash them in cold, alone, or by hand. Size the load correctly. On most yachts, you'll see 7-9 kilogram machines. For cottons and towels, fill to about 80%. For delicates and wool, fill to about 50%. Use the fist rule. So once the drum is loaded, you should be able to fit your closed fist at the top. Overloading stops rinsing and creates creasing and friction. Underloading beats garments to death and wastes water and energy. Balance the load by mixing sizes within the same store so items tumble well. Put very small items in a pillowcase bag so they don't block the drain. Choose cycles like this. Temperature first. 30 degrees for delicates, darks, and active wear to protect color and elastic. 40 degrees for mixed light, cottons, and more synthetics. That's your everyday clean. 60 degrees for white cottons, hotel grade sheets, and towels when the labels allow it. And heavily soiled galley cloth for hygiene. Cold water for bleed risk reds and indigos, and for wool or silk with a dedicated detergent. Spin spits next. Low, around 4 to 800 RPM for wool, silk, and delicates. Medium, around 800 to 1000 for mixed lights and synthetics. High, 12 to 1600 for cotton sheets and towels, so they dry faster. So programs usually read like this: cotton at 40-60 for sheets, pillowcases, and non-delicates. Synthetics or mixed at 30-40 for uniforms and blends. Delicates or silk cold to 30 with low spin for lingerie and viscose. Wool cold to 30 with a gentle drum for knits and cashmere. Hygiene at 60 or with steam for white towels and cleaning cloths. Hand wash for the labels that demand it, with tiny loads and very gentle spin. Microfiber cleaning cloths are special. Wash them alone, coat to 40 low detergent with an extra rinse, and air dry or use very low heat. Never add softener to a microfiber. Select products wisely. Use a high efficiency liquid with enzymes for mixed loads. It dissolves well, even in cold. So use powder for whites at 40-60. It's excellent on mud and grit. Use delicate and wool detergents that are pH balanced with no enzymes or bleach. Dose by the manufacturer's guide for soft to medium water and your machine size. If your water is hard, add 10 to 20%. If the load is small, reduce by 20 to 30%. If you see a foam party in the door glass, you dose too much. That leaves residue and odor. Use the extra rinse option on towels and activewear. Add oxygen bleach, this percarbonate, to whites and hotel towels at 40-60 to brighten and deodorize. Avoid chlorine bleach on yachts at all. It damages color, creates fumes, and weakens cotton. Treat color catcher sheets as an emergency backup, not a license to be lazy with sorting. Enzyme boosters help with protein or food stains. Treat fabric softeners like a handle with care product. Never on towels or microfiber because it kills absorbency and performance. A tiny dose on bed linens is acceptable if a guest requests extra softness, but be careful with residue and sand allergies. For softness without sand, use dry balls or a short steam refresh. Memorize the common yacht loads and their settings. White towels go with whites. They shad lint, wash at 60 with a high spin. Oxygen bleach is okay, softener is not. And an extra rinse helps. Bed linens in white, 40 to 60 with a high spin. Shake them out before drying and avoid over drying to control wrinkles. Colored towels go by shade families at 40 to 60 with a high spin. The first few washes should be alone. Uniform polos and shorts are sorted by color at 30 to 40 with a medium spin, turned inside out and tumbled low. Activewear is synthetic, so at 30 with an enzymatic detergent and an extra rinse. Never add softener. Wool and cashmere go on the wool program, cold to 30. Low spin, wool detergent only, inside a bag, and reshape flat to dry. Silk and viscose go on delicates, cold to 30, minimal spin, inside a bag, and hang dry out of direct sun. Microfiber cloth go completely alone at 30 to 40, low spin, no softener, and far from lint shedding loads. Load the machine the clean way. Check the door seal for debris. Load by handfuls, mixing sizes within your sort so items can tumble. Stop at the first space so water and detergent can circulate. Add detergent in the door or a dosing bowl. Add any boosters you planned, choose the program, set the temperature and spin, and only use pre-wash for heavy soil. Start the cycle and set a timer to return a little before the end so laundry never sits because it creases in the drum. Hand off correctly to drying and finishing. When the wash ends, shake out sheets and duvet covers immediately. That knocks out most wrinkles before they set. Inspect stains right away. If a mark remains, send them to the retreat bin and do not tumble dry it because heat will set the stain. Move clean items in a clean onlit liner or trolley. For drying, tumble towels and some cottons on medium and hot, remove them slightly damp and finish the fold so they feel luxurious. Move delicates, wool, silk, and uniforms to cabinet dryers or air dry. Reshape knits flat. Let hot towels cool before stacking so moisture doesn't get trapped and to avoid self-heating. Then move items to finishing. Linens to pressing, uniforms hand to drop creases, delicates lay flat. Use a simple day plan when the laundry room is busy. At 8, start whites, sheets at 60 in the biggest drum and dry them while cabins are being done. At 8, 10, run microfiber clothes at 40 in the small drum and air or cabinet dry them. At 9:15, run white towels at 60 with oxygen bleach and an extra rinse, tumble them high. At 10:30, wash uniform darks at 30 to 40 and dry low or hang. At 11:45, run a delicate batch, silk and wool, cool cabinet or flat dry. At 1, do colored towels by shade at 40 to 60 and let them cool fully before stacking. In between slot, stain treats and rewashes and keep one machine ready for high priority guest items. When something goes wrong, fix it fast. If whites turn pink because a red bled, stop and don't dry. Rewash the whites with oxygen bleach at 40 to 60 and next time isolate the red family. If towels feel hard, someone use softener or over dried them. Strip with a hot wash and oxygen bleach. Skip softener. Use dryables and shorten dry time. If activewear smells, the dose was too low or the rinse was too short, use an enzymatic detergent, add an extra rinse, and never use softener. If knits are peeling, the agitation was too strong, move them to a wool or delicate cycle, bag them, lower the spin, and air dry. If whites look gray, they mean that dark lint or were underdosed. So separate strictly, use powder or oxygen bleach, increase dose slightly, and check water hardness. You can keep a tiny checklist in your head, sort by use type, color, fabric, soil, lint behavior, and special construction. Filter 80% for cottons and 50% for delicates and confirm with the FIST test. Temperatures 30 for darks and delicates, 40 for mixed, 60 for whites and towels if labels low, spin low for delicates, and high for towels and linens. Never use softener on towels or microfiber. After washing, shake linens, cool towels before stocking, and retreat stains before any heat. Practice with the short drills. Time yourself sorting one mixed basket using the 6 filters and say each decision out loud. Do a care label lighting round. Pull 10 garments and speak the correct cycle, temperature, and spin for each. Practice the FIST test with a cotton load and a delicate load until your eye matches the feel. Run a stained gate game. Pick the stains and say your treat strategy before any loading. Now it's time for a quick quiz to lock it in. What are the 6 sorting filters in order? Why should softener never touch towels or microfiber? What is the FIST rule for the drum fill? How do you wash a brand new black jean and a brand new red tee for the very first time? Which bleach is safer for white yacht towels, oxygen or chlorine? Sorting and loading is where quality is won. Use the 6 filler sort, respect the labels, size your loads with the FIST test, choose cycles by fabric and soil, and keep additives smart. Oxygen bleach is your friend. Softener is very limited. Do this and everything after drying, pressing, presentation becomes easier and looks better. If this helped you, please like and subscribe, share it with someone who wants to work on yachts, and grab today's sorting and loading checklist in my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. I am Medea, and I'll see you in the next lesson.